Programming the schedule. In this tutorial, you will learn how to program the times and temperatures to which the floor will heat up and cool down. The Harmony Programmable Thermostat has two different programming methods. The default setting is the 5+2 day method. This setting is easier to program as you only enter two programs, one program for weekdays and another program for weekends. The other programming option is the 7-day method. This setting is more flexible as you can set a different program for each day of the week. The following programming tutorials are based on the 5+2 day method. To learn how to change the programming method, select the tutorial Modifying the Configuration Settings. The Harmony Thermostat has 4 programmable set points per day. Each of these set points represents the time and temperature to which the floor heating will change. These set points are represented by P1, P2, P3, and P4 icons located along the bottom of the screen. P1 represents the first warm-up time, typically set for the time you wake up. P2 represents the first cool-down time, typically set for the time you leave for work. P3 represents the second warm-up time, typically set for the time you return home. P4 represents the second cool-down time, typically set for the time you go to bed.